Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is about time that I reorganize my nail polish collection. Over the last year, my nail polish collection has probably doubled in size, and I have kind of let the organization of it kind of go. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I need to reorganize all of my nail polish. I have half of it stored in my bedroom, which was the original location of where I was storing my nail polish. But as my collection kind of outgrew the two drawers that I had dedicated in there for storage, I kind of rehomed the other half of my nail polish to the storage unit underneath my TV. Currently, my TV unit stores my camera equipment and my nail polish. There's a few like odds and ends, like stationery items, notebooks, pens, things like that. And then I also store my unused candles there. So I want to do a bit of rearranging for some of that stuff, and then I want to officially move over all of my nail polish to my TV unit here. Just makes the most sense, and I have the drawers available to organize it properly. While I'm reorganizing my collection, I of course will be doing a little bit of decluttering. Any of my nail polish that is either old or I no longer use, I will be getting rid of. Now, the last time I did a video like this, I got a lot of comments asking for me to give away my old nail polish. So because it's used, all of it is used, I don't feel comfortable giving it away, but I will make sure that it gets a good home with my friends and family. I honestly have no idea how many bottles of nail polish I have. If I had to guess, it would be over 200, but I honestly have no idea. So while I'm organizing, I will keep count and we will do a final total at the end. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you back on my channel. I do nail polish, lifestyle, and fashion videos here, so I'd love if you would join. And without further ado, let's get to organizing. So this is my original storage here in my bedroom. These two drawers are dedicated to nail polish, but I need to bring all of this over to my living room because I'm going to dedicate these 4 drawers here underneath my TV for nail polish storage. So first I have to bring everything over. So I'm just gonna start transferring this into this basket. So now that this is here, I'm going to take out my candles. These are gonna go in a different spot so that I can better organize my nail polish. So now that I have this all in front of me, I think the way I want to organize is keep all my tools up here like I do now, but I have nail polish mixed in, so I gotta sort through all of this stuff. And then I'm gonna use the remaining drawers to organize by brand, and then within by brand I'm going to organize by color. All my years of being a nail polish lover, I've actually never color coordinated my collection, but I think sorting it first by brand will help me keep things organized, because typically when I'm grabbing for a particular shade, I first remember what brand it's by, and then I can then go in and, you know, filter through the pinks and to find the right shade that I'm looking for. Also, I have a ton of Sally Hansen products because you know that I work with them on an ongoing basis. So within my Sally Hansen products, I'm going to organize them by line. So for example, I will organize the Good Kind Pure polishes on their own, then I will move into Miracle Gel, and then I will separate Complete Salon Manicure. I also have some Insta-Dry polishes, so I'll make that a section as well, and just kind of go from there. And then finally in here, I have my OPI already organized in here. Well, not organized, stored in here. And I was holding on to these little boxes that they come in because I just think they're really cute and they're pretty sturdy, but they're just taking up room and not allowing me to really organize to my full potential. So unfortunately, I'm gonna say goodbye to these boxes, but I just think they're like so cute because they have the little dividers in there. I'm a little bit scared. It's gonna get messy before it's gonna get organized, but let's get going. Okay, one drawer done, and I filled about half the drawer with all of my OPI polishes. So color order took a lot longer than I thought it would. And like I said, I am new at this. So I started in the corner with gold, went to yellow, then peach, orange, to red, and then I snaked them. So then it goes into some pinks, creams, pearls. Here the pinks continue, they blend into purple, where then it blends into blues, and then to green, and then I have glitter, but there was one left over, so that's how that looks. Also, they don't fit perfectly in the drawers, so they may slide when I'm opening and closing. I'll have to put something behind it to make them stack perfectly. Okay, moving on to all of my Sally Hansen polishes, and then there's a few miscellaneous ones in there too. This is gonna take a lot longer because OPI was already separated. So now I have to separate all of these by line. These two are duplicates to ones that I already have in my collection. So I'm going to put these in my giveaway pile that will most likely go to my mom. Okay, I just finished organizing all of my drawers, so before I give you the grand reveal, these are polishes that either I have duplicates of or I am getting rid of. These two in particular are just going in the garbage. And then these ones here I'll be giving to my mom because I've used them before, but I have duplicates or something very similar to it. So this is 14 polishes total. 2 are being discarded, 12 are being passed on. And now I have these 4 drawers nicely organized and I'm so excited to show you. Drawer number 1, I have all of my Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure and then Complete Salon Manicure. And here I have one, well, this is a Miracle Gel, but it is the Salon Chrome Kit. So because it's a kit, I just kind of put it there because it fit nicely. So that is drawer number 1. Then down here, I have all of my OPI polishes and some Room to Grow. In here, I have all of my Sally Hansen Miracle Gel polishes, all of the top coats, matte top coats, and then these are the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry that fit nicely on the side. Probably could pare down some of these top coats, but they're really good to have, and a lot of these are not opened, so they won't dry out, and I can hang on to them for a while because it's the step 2 to these, so I kind of need step 2 in order to complete the manicure. And then last but not least, in here, this is my pouch that I use when I am doing my nails. I'll take it over to wherever I'm doing my nails and just keep all of my tools. So I have all of my essentials, so top coats, base coats, nail primer, cuticle stuff. Rubber bands are always essential to help me open any bottles that are difficult to open. Then I repurposed one of these little boxes to put some of my nail tools. I recently got some new ones from Amazon, so I will link these down below. Cotton pads, nail polish remover, and then some other essentials like little makeup sponges for doing any nail designs and some Q-tips for cleanup. And that's it. I left this really simple because it's gonna get messy quite quickly, so I wanna keep it simple so I can maintain it. So that is about it in total, grand total. I calculated all my nail polishes. So in total, I have 237 bottles of nail polish. I'm discarding or getting rid of 14 of those. So I am left with 223 polishes in my collection, which is still way too many. But like I said, I use all of these polishes for different nail projects that I'm working on, so that is why I have so many. And as you can see, when I put them all in color order, there are a ton of them that are quite similar, but for my purposes, I need to keep every single polish. Really funny story, while I was filming this video, I was taking out all of the nail polishes, and when I was placing them on the floor, they were making like a little tick, 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 tick sound. And I got a missed call on my phone from my condo building, and I was like, oh my god, I'm getting a noise complaint because of the tapping from the nail polish hitting my floor from my downstairs neighbors. But I ended up calling back, and it wasn't a noise complaint. But it's really funny that I just assumed that I was getting a noise complaint because it was making a little tapping sound on my laminate floor. Rest assured, it was the wrong number and they didn't mean to call me. Anyways, I want to know, how many nail polishes do you have in your collection? Because I know that we are all nail polish lovers, or else why are you watching this video? Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!